All right, Ryan Bratton joins us with your forecast. More comfortable?
It's going to be getting there.
Okay.
I think that in central and northern Maine, you can really feel it.
Okay.
In southern Maine, though, the humidity's been up through most of the day.
Still hanging on.
Still hot out there.
But wait till I show you what's coming. It's total change. Take a look at the last 4 days. Obviously, yesterday we peaked at 99. And Portland is a pretty good representation of what's coming. Much cooler. In fact, Saturday, we may only have a high at 58 with rain. We'll talk about that in a moment. 90 pretty widespread, though, in the southwestern corner of the state. Sanford 91, Freiburg 92, 87 in Bangor, but a high of only 74 in Caribou, and now it's 72 there. That's cooler, drier air that's going to be moving into the state. So even though it is still humid in southern Maine, watch what happens through the night. The dew points drop, and tomorrow morning the numbers are in the 40s, so a totally different air mass will be moving in. That's as this cold front pushes to our south. High pressure to the north will be sending air down from Canada over these next few days. And then this system you see out over the plains right now will be headed our way for Saturday, and that's when it looks pretty wet around here, unfortunately, given it's a weekend. So for tonight, we'll have a mostly clear sky. It's still warm through the evening, but overnight it gets progressively more comfortable. Starting tomorrow morning, most of us in the 50s first thing in the morning. I think the most sun tomorrow is during the morning. The afternoon turns partly to even mostly cloudy and much, much cooler. There could be a few showers over in New Hampshire tomorrow afternoon, but it looks like most of Maine should stay dry. Can't rule out that maybe in York County you get a shower, but most of us is dry tomorrow. It's just substantially cooler, in some cases by almost 20 degrees during the day tomorrow. Tomorrow evening, again, a few showers nearby, but we should be mostly dry here overnight tomorrow night. And then Friday, it looks sunny and cool in the morning in eastern and northern Maine, partly sunny in southern Maine. And during the afternoon, clouds thicken up. And by Friday evening, this is 6 o'clock, a chance for some showers, especially in New Hampshire and western Maine. So I think most places get the daylight hours of Friday in dry, but Friday evening and Friday night showers develop. And then Saturday just looks downright cool and wet. Showery periods of rain. There may be some heavier rain at times, especially in the mountains during the middle of the day on Saturday. And then Sunday's forecast will depend on how quickly this moves out. I think it's damp in the morning, but I have some hope the afternoon on Sunday could turn drier and at least partly sunny as long as that system keeps moving. There will be a stripe of some heavier rain. Right now it favors the mountains and central Maine. Again, most of that falls during the day on Saturday. Seas tomorrow 1 to 3 feet and a northeast wind shifting to come out of the southeast 5 to 10 knots. So tomorrow's a cooler day, no question about that, with a chance for an isolated afternoon shower mainly in New Hampshire and western Maine. I think the rest of the state stays dry. Clouds for most of us on Friday. There could be more sunshine though in eastern and northern Maine, especially first half of the day. Saturday looks wet and cool. I'm hoping we can improve things Sunday afternoon. And then next week looks warmer and a bit more humid, but nothing like the upper 90s and low 100s that we had this week.
Good, so we can tolerate it is what you're telling me.
Yeah, and Saturday, some people may be happy. They want a break from the heat.
That's right.
Yeah.
Thanks, Ryan.
You're welcome.